All right. Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. We are going to continue on with our volleyball lesson. Yesterday, we did some underhand volleyball serving, and today we're going to work on overhand volleyball serving. And we actually got a little bit of practice in that video we just watched where we were practicing some underhand and overhand serving. So first things first, we need our equipment. We need the same equipment that we used yesterday. So we need a target of some sort, a book or a folder, and then a paper volleyball or a ball that you usually use. So let's make sure we have those equipment. We're going to set it up just like we did yesterday. So you're going to start at your target. You're going to take 7 steps, and then you're going to drop your book or your folder. So you should be about 6 to 7 feet away, just like this, okay, with your ball. But first, I want to do a little bit of stretching because we're going to be doing a new motion today. So first, what I would like to do is some arm circles. So I should see everyone following along with me. We're going to do some big arm circles. And we want to do big ones because we want a big range of motion because that's the motion we're going to be doing. All right, now we're going to go backwards. Again, bigger arm circles, the better. So we can really stretch out those shoulders. Nice. Okay, the next stretch we are going to do is actually something baseball pitchers do because baseball pitchers are using this motion a lot, and volleyball overhand serving is a lot like that too. So what we're going to do, put our hands up like this, like a field goal post, and we're just going to go back and forth. And we're really stretching those shoulders and arm muscles because, like I said, that's the motion we're going to be doing today. All right, very good. So let's talk about the proper form for overhand serving. What you're going to do is you're going to have your ball in whichever hand that you are not swinging with, right? So I serve with my right hand, which means the ball's in my left hand. If you serve with your left hand, the ball's going to be in your right hand, right? So it's a toss and a swing. So we toss it up and we swing and we're going to hit it and try and get it into our target. Now, when we do that, our weight starts back, right? We have our weight on our back foot. We toss it up, and when we swing, our weight moves forward. So we're shifting our weight. So you can watch me first. This is what it looks like. I start with my weight back. I'm going to toss it up. I'm going to meet it at the highest point, hit it, and try and get it into my target. Like this. Oop, and I hit it too hard, but you saw me shift my weight, okay? So again, you toss it up, and you're going to meet it at its highest point and serve it. Now, in real volleyball, they jump really, really high because they have a long way to hit it, and they hit it as hard as they can. Today, since we're playing a mini version of that, we actually don't want to hit it that hard. We were trying to hit it into our target, right? So what I would like us to do for a minute is just practice that motion, okay? And if you want, you can keep score. The goal is to try and hit your target at least 3 to 5 times if you can in a minute, okay? But again, this is just practice, and we're going to play a game right after this. So everyone, grab your ball. You're going to stand behind or next to your book or folder, and you're going to try and hit it into your target. When the music starts, we're going to do this for a minute. On your marks, get set, go. All right, everyone, time is up. Now, you might notice that this is pretty difficult because you're trying to throw it up high, but you're probably trying to aim at something low. So don't worry, this is just practice. But the point is, we toss it up high and we want to make a flat hand. That way it'll go straight to where we want it to go, right? And remember, we're shifting our weight when we're hitting it. Okay, now this is the game we are going to play. Similar to the one we did yesterday, we have a minute and a half, and we're going to see how many points we can score. If you make it in your target, that is 3 points. If you hit your target, it's 1 point, and it doesn't matter how it goes in. So if you hit it off the wall and it hits it, or if you hit it off the wall and it goes in, those points still count, okay? Before we can serve, what we have to do is 3 jumping jacks, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, and then we can serve, okay? So you have to do 3 jumping jacks before each serve. And we're going to do this for a minute and a half when the music starts. If there are any questions, go ahead and ask now. All right, everyone. Have your ball. Remember, you have to stay behind your book or folder when you're playing this game. 3 jumping jacks before you serve. On your marks, get set, go. All right, everyone, time is up. Nice job. And again, that game is a lot more difficult. We're inside, we have a smaller space, we're not using real volleyball, but we got to practice the upper overhand motion of serving a volleyball. So nice job. You can type your score in the chat, of course. Awesome job, everyone. Way to get moving.